back to my channel, guys. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So if you are new on my channel, welcome guys. Welcome to this amazing family of 1000 subscribers. More than 1000 subscribers now, I can say. Yes guys, my channel has recently hit 1000 subscribers and I'm so thankful for the audience I have, and they are just amazing people. So if you want to join this amazing community, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button for this video as well. So today's video is going to be an amazing haul video. I am doing a Nykaa haul. This is the most random shopping I have done on Nykaa. Actually, I wanted to try out new things, so I have ordered few stuff from Nykaa. So I am going to also announce a giveaway in this particular video. So if you want to win that giveaway, you have to keep on watching this video till the end and hit that subscribe button. So that was a very long intro. So let's just dive into the video now. So the first product that I have ordered from Nykaa is a new launch by L'Oreal Paris. It's their extraordinary oil serum and it's infused with a blend of 6 flower extract oils, and it is an amazing one. It is such a luxurious product. First I'm going to just open the box and show you the product. So this is the product, guys. It comes in a glass bottle like this, and look at the quantity of this. It is so amazing. I'm so excited to try this product. Let me just keep it safely inside, otherwise I'll break it, I'll drop it. So okay, so this has a versatile use. You can use it before shampoo, you can use it after doing shampoo, you can use it as a conditioner, you can use it to style your hair, or as a heat protector before styling your hair. There are multiple uses of this product and I'm super excited to try this. So I'm just going to tell you the price of this one. So this retails for 499 rupees for 100 ml of product. Super excited for this one. Then the next product I have ordered is by Dot & Key. This is their glow revealing vitamin C serum concentrate, and it's such an hype product, and I have heard really good reviews about this product, and there are multiple reviews which are mixed ones, but I really wanted to give it a try because I have tried their AHA and BHA peel mask and it is amazing. It has worked wonders on my skin, so I really love that. So this is how the product looks from inside, and this is how it looks. It comes with a dropper, same like the AHA BHA peel one. The packaging is quite similar to that one, and it retails for, I'm just going to tell you the price of this one. This retails for 1045 and I had got it on 10% off, I guess, on Nykaa. So yeah, I'm going to mention all the price and links in the description box down below as usual, so you can check it out. Super excited to try this one also. Currently I'm using the Klairs one and I'm totally in love with that. So super excited for this one. Next I have ordered another hair care product, and this is by again
it's L'Oreal Paris.
It's their Elite Satin, if I'm pronouncing it right, I don't know. So this is their hairspray and it's the mini version of it. You can see it is very tiny. It's like the size of my palm. So I just wanted to give this a try. Again, heard really good reviews about it, so I wanted to style my hair, little curly and all. So in my future videos I'm planning to experiment with my hair, so you'll see a lot of new looks in my future videos. So for that I have ordered it. So I had ordered the mini one to try it out. Now this one retails for 250 rupees and it is a 75 ml of product. So this also was on 15 or 10% off, so I have got it on discount. Next I have ordered this rose water by Kama Ayurveda, and it is amazing product. I mean, this is like, I will recommend it to each and every one. This is such an amazing and authentic product. It smells amazing. The smell is not overpowering. It is so refreshing. I just love it. Already in love with this product. Highly recommend it. This one retails for 300 rupees for 50 ml of product. So totally worth every single penny. Then next I have ordered these cute little babies by Bath & Body Works. These are their shower gels, and I love Bath & Body Works shower gels, and these are the travel sizes of that. So there was a discount going on, there was offer going on actually, that buy two get one free. So what I did is I ordered 2 travel size and I got 1 travel size free with that. So this one is the Gingham, if I'm pronouncing it right. Again, I am very bad at pronouncing these names. And this one is Atlantic. I will mention all the names somewhere on the screen so you can read it, because I'm very bad at pronouncing these names. So yeah, these two I have ordered and I have got this one free with that. So this one retails for 495 rupees, so I got these two for 990 and I got this one free. So I think that was a good deal for me. Next I have ordered this acetone nail remover by Color Bar. Look at the quantity, it is so huge. I mean, and it is very good quality again. I really like it. It's not that strong and doesn't make your nails white when you remove your nail paint. So I really like it, and it is with vitamin B5 and protein. I don't know what that means also. So yeah, and this one retails for 125. Again, this was on discount, so I got it for somewhere around 100 rupees. So yeah, I really like it and recommend it. And I have ordered one more nail paint remover. I have to keep on changing nail paints for my videos. Whenever I'm shooting videos, I like my nails to look good, so I always keep changing it. So this one is by Maybelline Color Show. This is the nail color remover with vitamin E. Now again, this one was for 90 rupees and I bought it for 60 rupees, and this is an amazing one. You can just remove your nail paint with just one swipe. It's very nice. Highly recommend this one. Then next I have ordered one nail shade. You can see it on my fingers already. It's a beautiful shade. It's in the shade where is it written? Okay, yeah, it's in the shade Flamingo. I really love this shade. It's so pretty. I mean, this is the perfect powder pink. I really like this shade, and this is by K Beauty. Is their Nourish nail lacquer, and this was for 250 rupees, I guess. I will mention the price somewhere on the screen. And this was also on discount, 20 or 15% discount. So this one also I've got it on discount. Can you see the shade? It's so gorgeous. Just totally love it. Then next I have ordered this face wash by Pond's, and this is their pure white anti-pollution plus purity face wash, and this is with activated charcoal, and it's an amazing face wash. I mean, I feel this is such an underrated product. This is so good. I mean, it removes the dirt from your face, like, you know, in just one swap, and it's just amazing. This one retails for 95 rupees. Again, this was on 20% discount, so go try it out. For oily skin people, this is a wonder product. Then next I have ordered this aloe vera gel by Moha, and it's an amazing product. Now again, this one I have got buy one get one free, so I have got this one free with this, and this is such an amazing product, and this is such an underrated brand, I feel. But this I ordered from their website because this was not in stock on Nykaa. Again, I don't know why Nykaa doesn't bring their out of stock products in stock sooner. So I had to buy the Klairs vitamin C serum also from some other website. So if Nykaa, if you are watching this, please get all your out of stock products back in stock. So yeah, coming back to this product, this is such an amazing product. This is aloe vera gel, and it is with rose and cucumber, and totally worth it. It smells amazing, and it's a very nice. I will just show you the texture of this one. I told you I'm going to drop something today, and that had to be aloe vera gel. So yeah, this is the texture of it, and it's so hydrating and so moisturizing. Love it. And the final and last product that I have ordered is this Pond's BB cream. I know you guys will feel that I'm so outdated, but trust me guys, I have not used a BB cream ever in my life. Truly, I have not used a BB cream. I have always used foundation. I have always been into full-fledged makeup. So I really wanted to give it a try and see for myself what exactly it feels like, you know, using a BB cream as a makeup. So I wanted to give it a try. Let me know if you want a makeup tutorial of BB cream. Let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, this one also was on discount. I guess this retails for rupees 82. I guess I ordered a mini version of this because I just wanted to give it a try. I don't even know how much I'll use it. So this was, I got it for around 60 rupees, I guess. So I'll mention the price on the screen somewhere. So those were all the products guys, and now comes the best part, and that is the giveaway. Yes, I'm going to announce the giveaway in this video now. So today's giveaway is going to be on you guys. So you have to choose any one product and comment in the description box down below sorry, in the comment section down below which product you want as a giveaway gift. So I am going to choose one winner at the end of this month, and I am going to announce the winner on my Instagram page. So it is, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel on YouTube and also you are following me on Instagram. So that those were the only rules for this giveaway. So this is a very small tiny giveaway that I wanted to host for my 1000 plus family of subscribers. So yeah, just get going and start commenting in the comment section down below which of these products you want as a giveaway gift. And that's it for now, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and you enjoyed this video and my shopping on Nykaa. So I'm going to end my video here and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.